In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix 916 error on Kling AI. If you've been running into a stubborn 916 error when trying to generate videos, this walkthrough will help you reset the aspect ratio selector and clear the cached data that often causes the issue. We'll keep it simple, follow the exact sequence, and I'll explain why each action matters so you understand what's happening behind the scenes. First, open your browser and go to the Kling AI app. Give the page a moment to fully load so all the generation tools initialize properly. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Generate. This takes you into the main workspace where you set up your video prompt, parameters, and output settings. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. Just make sure you're in the section where you create a new video. At the top of the Generate area, open the new video screen. This is where you'll see the controls for your project, including the aspect ratio options. Find the setting labeled Video Ratio. It's the control that determines the width and height format of the final video and is often the root of the 916 error when the UI gets stuck in an invalid or cached state. Now, click on 16:9. This switches the canvas to a standard widescreen layout and forces the interface to update the selection. Immediately after that, click on 1:1. Toggling between these two options helps refresh the ratio selector and can break the loop that triggers the 916 error. Even though we aren't choosing 916 here, this quick toggle clears the conflicting state that causes the message to appear. Next, open the three-dot menu at the top right of your browser window. From that menu, choose Delete Browsing Data. When the dialog opens, click on More or Advanced to reveal the full set of options. Set the time range to all time to remove any long-standing cached files and cookies that might be interfering with Kling AI's settings. Then click Delete Data. A quick heads up, this can sign you out of websites and reset site preferences, so be prepared to log back into services you use. Once that's finished, return to the Kling AI app, reload the page, go back into Generate, and start a new video. With the ratio toggle and your browser data cleared, the 916 error should no longer appear, and your aspect ratio controls should behave normally. That's it. Follow these steps whenever the error pops up, and you'll be back to creating without interruptions. Thanks for watching.